students, let us start part 1, chapter 13, class 5, ways to multiply and divide. In this part, we will learn about basics of the chapter, introduction. At the end of the video, you will be understand what is multiplication and what is division. So let us start with multiplication. Multiplication is a mathematical operations. There are four basic mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So multiplication is one of the basic mathematical operation. Symbol is this type of cross is the symbol for the multiplication, and multiplication is nothing just a repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, so when we add some number repeatedly, this is called as multiplication. So let us understand what is multiplication. Okay, so let us take 2. What will happen if I multiply 2 with 1? It will be 2, means 2 is added one time. In this case, 2 is added 1 times. Okay, 2 is added 1 time. So answer will be 2. If 2 plus 2 means 2 is added 2 times. Okay, so answer is 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, let us see. Now 2 is added 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it is the one of the same thing. 2 multiplied by 3, because addition is nothing but a repeated addition. Okay, so the answer will be 6. Okay, next 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 2 is added 4 times, means 2 into 4, that is 8. Okay, if 2 is added 5 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it means 2 is multiplied by 5. Okay, so answer is 10. If 2 is added 6 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is one of the same thing, 2 into 6, because 2 is added 6 times, so it is 12. Okay, so in this example you have observed when 2 is added one time, so answer is 2. Okay, when 2 is repeatedly added, means we can write it like multiplication. Okay, so 2 plus 2 or 2 into 2 is 4. Now in this case 2 is added 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So this expression can be written like this, and answer is 6. In this case 2 is added 4 times. In this case 2 is added 5 times. In this case 2 is added 6 times. So you can see this is same thing. So it clearly explains addition and multiplication is related, and multiplication is nothing just but repeated addition. Okay, so let us take another example. 7. If 7 is added one time, means 7 into 1, that will be equal to 7. If 7 is added 2 times, means 7 into 2. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, or 7 into 2, 7 2s are 14. So in this case you can understand multiplication is repeated addition. 7 plus 7 plus 7 means 7 is added 3 times. So 7 into 3, 21. Okay, so it clearly explains 7 is added 4 times. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 means 7 into 4 can be written, and 7 4s are 28. Okay, if 7 is added 5 times, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or I can write like this, 7 into 5, that will be equal to 35. And if 7 is added 6 times, so I can write 7 into 6, that will be 42. So it is clear to you that multiplication is nothing just repeated addition. We are adding over and over again, or we can simply multiply that. Okay, So let us take an example how this concept can be used in our questions. Okay, so see, cost of a pen is rupees 5. Okay, cost of a pen is equal to rupees 5. Then what will be cost of 20 such pens? Means cost of 20 pens will be equal to, what will happen? One pen cost 5 rupees, two pen cost plus more one 5, and one more pen, that is plus one more 5, because it is 20 pen, so 5 will be added up to 20 times. Okay, 5 is added up to 20 times. Okay, so how can I write like this? I know that repeated addition is multiplication, so 5 into 20, that is rupees 100. Okay, one pen cost rupees 5, and if I have to buy 20 pens, so I have to give rupees 5 20 times. I have to give rupees 5 20 times. So here I can give rupees 5 20 times in this way, or I can also give 20 times 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 up to 20 times. So either I can add 5 up 20 times, or I can multiply 5 into 20. Okay, so this example can be used for your several problems. See another example. The speed of a boat is 20 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 5 hours? The speed of a boat is 20 km per hour, means speed of a boat is equal to 20 km per hour. So how much distance will it cover in 5 hours? So in 1 hour 20 kilometers. So distance in 5 hours. In 1 hour 20 kilometer. So in 5 hour 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. Okay, in first hour, in second hour, in third hour, in fourth hour, in fifth hour. Or I know multiplication is repeated addition, so I can multiply 20 into 5, because 5 hours, so 5 times, that is 100 kilometers. So you must have observed we can use this concept addition, multiplication as a repeated addition in several cases. Okay, so let us move forward. Now division. Division is another mathematical operation, basic mathematical operation, and symbol is this one straight line and two dots. And division is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. We are subtracting over and over again. Okay. So let us see the example of division. Sonu has 20 rupees. A pen costs rupees 5. How many pens she can buy? Okay. Cost of a pen is cost of a pen is equal to rupees 5. She has 20 rupees, rupees 20. So number of pen she can buy. She can buy. If she buy one pen, that cost 5. Okay, so 20 minus 5, that is one pen. 20 minus 5, 15. If she can buy one more pen, so 20 minus 10, that is 10. She still have 10. Minus 5, minus 5, 20 minus 15, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. She can still buy one more pen, so 5. Okay, now it becomes 0. Okay, so 20 minus 5, 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen, 4 pen. Total how many pens she can buy? By subtracting repeatedly, 1, 2, 4. So total pen she can buy 4. Or how can I do it with division? 20 divided by 5. Okay, 20 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. So directly I can do like this. Okay, so division is repeated multiplication. I have repeatedly subtracted 5 from 20, or I can directly divide 5 4s are 20. So she can buy 4 pens. Okay, let us take another example. Ramesh has traveled 30 kilometers. Ramesh traveled 30 kilometers with speed, what is speed? 10 kilometer per hour. Means 10 kilometer in 1 hour, another 10 kilometer in 1 hour, and another 10 kilometer in 1 hour. So 10 kilometer plus 10 kilometer plus 10 kilometer. This 3 will subtracted repeatedly. Okay, 30. So total distance covered 30 minus 30, 0. So how much time he took? 1 hour, 2 hour, and 3 hours. Okay, so how can I find time? I can find time by distance divided by 10. 10 threes are 30. So 10 hours, 3 hours. Okay, so in this way, division is repeated subtraction. So I hope this is clear to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.